this thing.
Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms.
I was wondering what this is doing over here.
40%. One warning remains in effect in Erie counties until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Can you see that?
Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Doppler radar estimated 1.5 inches within the past hour. Thunderstorms are producing very heavy rainfall in the warned area. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bowling Green, Chester, Sylvania, Toledo,
Where the hell won't this
Waterville,
focus?
North Baltimore, Northwood, Oregon, Hattiesburg, Rossford, Weston, and White House.
There we go.
Recent reports of even flooding in the urging to other message for the following county, Hancock County, Ohio. The tornado warning for northeastern Hancock County is canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for northwestern Ohio. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood.
You see that?
A tornado warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Sandusky, southeastern Wood, and northwestern Seneca counties. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continues to indicate a possible tornado. This possible tornado is located near Victoria, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations near the path of the possible tornado include Bethville.
Look at this thing. I'm not sure what's going on here.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Ottawa County, Sandusky County, Seneca County until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar.
See, it's doing it over there too.
With very heavy rainfall approaching the warned area. Rainfall
This whole thing's doing that.
in a half an hour can't be expected. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Clark, Elmer, Astoria, Fremont, Old Clinton, Tiffin, Bellevue, Bloomingdale, Genoa, Gibsonburg, Green Springs, Louisa, Oak Harbor, and Green Bay. Very heavy rainfall is possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff will cause flooding of small creeks, streams, and drainage ditches across the warning area. In urban areas, flooding is likely along poorly drained and low-lying highways, streets, and underpasses. Be alert for flooding.
Yeah, look at this thing.
Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following.
It goes all the way back to over here.
This is the Weather Radio KHB 97 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station KHB 97 from Bellevue on the frequency of 162.400 megahertz.
Urgent weather message. Flood watch in effect through late tonight. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood watch for portions of north central Ohio and northwest Ohio, including the following areas. In north central Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Ohio, Huron, Knox, Lorain, Marion, Morrill, and Richmond. In northwest Ohio: Hancock,
Look at this thing.
Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Irving, Rye, and Dock. Late to now, the wet ground from recent rains has set the stage for rapid runoff from scattered to numerous thunderstorms that will move across the region late this afternoon into the overnight hours. Heavy thunderstorms.
Oh, look. You see it?